No, you're much bigger than me.
I'm bigger.
No, don't say that. Yeah, look, you're much bigger. And I look smaller, right?
I like it be better.
I am gigantic. I'm a giant.
Whoa. Meeting of the minds. Sometimes you gotta sit down and talk to the only real one you know.
Head on the platter.
My name is Daniel.
Daniel, hi Daniel. My name is Fernando. Please tell us the hours of the Museum of Illusions.
So technically, like the museum opens at 10 and then it closes at 10 on weekdays. If it's weekends, it'll be from 10 to 11. So it's pretty open for most of the day. In the morning, it's always dead. If you're coming in the middle of the day, it'll be like more busy around your 2 o'clock. So always prepare and buy your tickets earlier. If you're coming at night, it's always dead as well. So you can always come at any time and walk in.
You get a lot of kids.
Oh, a lot of
students,
kids.
right?
Like family events, if you're planning to come
Family
with
events,
family.
exactly,
If you have kids, it's great here as well. What else would I say? A nice birthday party, anything.
Parties,
Nice
yes.
little date
Corporate
as well.
events,
We do also do like the little corporate events if you're interested in that. But if you are just coming on a first date, it is also great for that.
And what is the Instagram social media?
It'll be MOYNY.
Website is
Museum of Illusions New York.com.
Yeah. Do you have advice to book the ticket ahead of time?
I would say book your tickets a day in advance. If it's a Saturday or a weekend, it does get busy more often. So I would say prepare in advance. But weekdays, it's always usually dead. As you're gonna see as today, it was pretty calm today. So.
And it's $29.
And it's $33.60 for an adult, $29.55 if you're a student. If you have 2 families and 2 children, you actually get a much bigger discount than buying individual tickets.
Also, at least 10% discount.
At least 10%,
which is huge,
20%,
right?
yes.
But
It's very good
thank you.
discount.
I had fun. It's really shocking.
Yes, of course.
Unbelievable.
It's very fun here. Even
Very
for me who
fun.
works here, it's every day it's something new.
Thank you so much for
Of
taking the time to
course.
talk to us.
What are we supposed to do?
Okay, so from my point of view, you could see a chair. Yeah. So how would I take the photo?
Just like no, it's alright, just hold it like that.
Okay, yeah, cool. I'm gonna walk up to you so you can see the perspective of the illusion.
Good?
Hello.